Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Living on the South Shore of MA, and today I want to take you on a neighborhood tour within the town of Hingham. We're going to combine two neighborhoods into one tour. These two neighborhoods, in my opinion, are some of the best kept secrets left in the town of Hingham. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the Bonnie, Brier, and Cliff Road neighborhoods. Let's go. Now, before we get to the neighborhoods, what I always love to do is show you where Hingham is on a map. So you see Boston top left there. This is at the beginning of the South Shore. Red pin being downtown Hingham. You see that blue pin being the neighborhoods we are about to discuss. So you are right on the edge of Cohasset and Hull as well, making it a fantastic location. Now, the zoom in, this is what we all love to see. These two neighborhoods combined create this little peninsula that shoots off into the Weir River estuary, giving you as a buyer the opportunity to get something that's on the water for under $1 million. That is a very rare occurrence, not only in Hingham, but on the South Shore. So as we drive through these neighborhoods, the first one we're going to go through is Bonnie Brier Circle. Now, in this neighborhood, there are 40 homes. The most recent home to be on the market is on for $945,000. That is currently, as of the making of this video, under agreement. And it is the home to our left right here. Before that, the highest sale in this neighborhood from 2022 was $870,000. So nothing in this neighborhood has been sold for over $1 million. Everything has been below $1 million. But you see all these houses you see on your left here are on the water. You can have dock access. You have staircases if you're up above the water a little bit that go down to the water level to launch kayaks, paddle boards. You can go fishing, etc. Now, as you can see from driving around, a majority of these homes are bungalows and ranches. Some of them have been added onto over the years, second floors, third floors, etc. But a lot of these homes are original to when they were first built. But again, you have the opportunity to get a home in here for under $1 million. You know, the lowest price point, probably $500,000. You're going all the way up to, as of right now, $945,000. That's the one that's under agreement currently. But the location, guys, I absolutely love. You're close to downtown Hingham. You're close to Nantasket Beach over in Hull. You are close to Cohasset as well. You can't really beat it. Now, as we speed up and just shoot on over to the other neighborhood, the main road in here is Cliff Road, but this is very, very similar aside from one fact. The highest sale for a home in here, $1.8 million. Now, you're going to see this off in the distance at the very end of this road, Chestnut Place. You'll see it standing tall, that brown home. That just sold for $1.8 million, but that was a completely redone, rebuilt home on the water. So that is the biggest difference between this neighborhood and Bonnie Brier. You're looking at $600,000 all the way up to $1.8 million for the range of prices of homes within this neighborhood. This one's a little bit smaller, only 29 homes in this neighborhood versus 40 in Bonnie Brier. But another very big distinct difference, this neighborhood, you see at the end of the road here where this bench is and this little beach, you have your own private neighborhood beach. They throw a bunch of parties down here. They have gatherings down here, little social hours down here. So it gives this neighborhood a little perk that most neighborhoods do not have. Your own little beach to launch your kayaks, launch, your boats, your paddle boards, or just go hang out, play in the sand if you have little kids. But very family-friendly neighborhood, just like Bonnie Brier. Very tight-knit community. Everybody knows everybody. They're there to support each other. The neighborhood watches over the neighborhood kids. It's a really, really great neighborhood. And again, the location of these two neighborhoods is fantastic. You're also in the East Elementary School District, which is a 4-minute drive down the road, which makes this even more attractive to families that are thinking about moving here. As always, guys, thank you for watching. If there's anything I can help you with, please reach out to me, whether it's buying or selling or just questions about the South Shore.